Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor associate as well as the professor vacancies from the different institutes or the colleges guys, and here the opportunities are there for the PG or else the PG plus UGS net and the PhD candidates. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them, and to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGS NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Content of the video. So it is the first college that we are going to see here. So it is Amiraj College of Engineering and Technology, and here the complete address is given here. Okay, you may check down from Ahmedabad, and here the faculty notifications released from the engineering departments for the professor as well as the associate professor. And coming to the civil, okay, mechanical, electrical and computer, and the professor category, each and everyone is having the one vacancy. And coming to the associate professor category, civil 3, mechanical 3, electrical 2 and the computer 3. Eligibility criteria, qualification and experience as per the ACT and the GTU or the Gujarat government norms guys. So usually as per the norms, okay, for the professor and associate professor, PhD qualification is mandatory. So the interested candidate should send his or her application on a blank paper with recent photograph and necessary self-attested documents. Above mentioned application should be sent to the chairman, Amiraj Charitable Trust, okay, College of Engineering and Technology. Okay, the complete address is given, and the last date to apply this one is the 9th June 2021. So you have to send your complete application and the relevant documents on or before 9th June 2021. Okay, and coming to the next one is, it is a Medicap University guys. From this one here we got the notification. So we are looking for sincere, enthusiastic and committed candidates who have passion towards teaching and aspire to become part of our elite academy fraternity. And you can download the application form here. So if you are having any queries, then you may mail your query to this careers@medicaps.ac.in. and the recruitment for senior faculties. So applications are invited for senior faculty positions in engineering, management, commerce, pharmacy, science, humanities and agriculture. Okay, so you may check down. That means if you are having the post graduation in these departments, or else the PG plus UGS net, or else the PhD, then try to send your application as well as your resume and the scanned documents or the testimonials to this provided mail ID, that is careers@medicaps.ac.in. The last date to apply for this one is 31st May 2021. Okay, and in this official website itself you may check down what are the different courses or the programs they are providing to you. Fine. So almost these are all the programs they are providing, but in the engineering department, what are the different programs? Okay, so you may check down here in the academic and the courses in undergraduate, what are the different programs they are providing. Fine. So if you belongs to any one of the programs, whatever they are providing, then even though if you are having the post graduation only, then try to apply your resume guys. Okay, whatever the application they mentioned, fine, along with the application and resume as well as the supporting documents. Okay, so mail to them, and the mail ID is also provided here. Okay, so you may check down guys, careers@medicaps.ac.in. Fine. And coming to the next one is, there is advertisement from the National Institute of Technology, Andhra Pradesh, regarding the assistant professor associate as well as for the professor vacancy. The last date for filling and submission of online application form is 16th June 2021, evening 4 o'clock. Fine. So it is the last date. And regarding this one, what are the different departments are offering and what is the qualification required? Okay, all these things we will see here. Recruitment of academic staff at National Institute of Technology, Andhra Pradesh. So it is dated on 18th May 2021. So professor, the minimum professor associate in the assistant professor category, total grade 1 and grade 2, I think it is a grade 3. Okay, so the 3 grades are there, or else as per the pay level wise they divided the grades here. Okay, you may check down. And coming to the least grade is the pay level 10 here. You are going to get the minimum basic pay 70,900 rupees per month. And the departments which are announcing the vacancies are civil, computer science, electrical, electronics and communication. materials and metallurgical engineering, mechanical engineering, and the number of proposed vacancies are given here. You may check down, guys. And the eligible and serving faculty in the existing department or schools at NIT Andhra Pradesh other than the department listed above may also apply for this one. And coming to the qualifications, so for assistant professor grade 2, pay level 10, PhD is required, and for assistant professor grade 2, pay level 11, PhD is required, and 1 year teaching experience after the PhD, and assistant professor grade 1, 3 years teaching experience required after the PhD, and for associate professor 6 years. Okay, so and for a professor 10 years. Fine. So these are the qualifications required for this one. So whatever the faculty announcement is there from this NIT Andhra Pradesh, definitely PhD is required for, guys. Okay, even though it is assistant professor category, the PhD is mandatory for this one. Fine. And the specializations are given here. Okay, all the specializations you may check down, guys. And for your reference purpose, I will provide all the necessary links in the description box of this video. Okay, you may check down, guys. Fine. So totally the candidates who are having the only post graduation, okay, then send your application form and the curriculum vitae and scan documents to this provided mail ID for the Medicaps University. And the candidates who are having the PhD, then you may apply for the Amiraj College of Engineering and Technology from Ahmedabad, and next one is from NIT Andhra Pradesh. Fine. So it is a detailed notification, guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. To get more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the Plus subscription and second one is the Iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the Plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the Iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the Plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the Iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the Plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250. And for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF.